Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at addition and subtraction of radicals. If you've completed the previous video, mixed and entire radicals, then today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So all variables in this lesson represent positive numbers. And so here we have what's called like radicals, 3 root 2 and 5 root 2. So what we're going to do is practice simplifying. So 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2 gives 8 root 2, right? 3 apples plus 5 apples gives 8 apples, like that. Right? 7 bananas plus 11 bananas gives 18 bananas, like that. 5 root 7 minus 1 root 7 gives 4 root 7. 5 minus 3 gives 2. 8 root x plus 2 root x gives 10 root x. 10 root xy minus 3 root xy gives 7 root xy. G, 2 root 20 plus 3 root 5. We're going to rewrite root 20 as 4 times 5, root 4 root 5, 2 root 5, like that. And so now we have 4 root 5 plus 3 root 5, which gives 7 root 5. Okay, H. Root 2 plus 2 root 3, so we can't simplify any further. 1 apple plus 2 pears, you can't do anything with that, you're done. I, 2 cube root 3 plus 4 cube root 3 gives 6 cube root 3. J, root 3x squared y plus 4x root 3y. So we're going to go root x squared times root 3y, like that. Root x squared gives x. So here we have 1 x root 3y plus 4x root 3y, right? So 1 plus 4 gives 5x root 3y, like that. Okay, time for some practice. A to I, go ahead and pause the video and simplify. Okay, we're back. 4 plus 3, 7. 5 minus 1, 4. 7 plus 7, 14, like that. 6 minus 3, 3. 12 minus 4, 8, right? Root x z, root x z. So they're they're like radicals. F, 2 root 40 plus 3 root 10. Root 40 can be rewritten as 4 times 10. So we have root 4 root 10, which gives 4 root 10 plus 3 root 10, which gives 7 root 10. Here, cannot simplify any further. H, 6 cube root 7 plus 2 cube root 7 gives 8 cube root 7. I, root 9x plus 18 plus 2 root x plus 2. Here we can factor out 9 like that. This becomes root 9 times root x plus 2. This becomes 3 root x plus 2 plus 2 root x plus 2. And so this gives 5 root x plus 2. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.